Hey there. Welcome to SOLIDBugs. Are you tired of losing your contacts every time you factory reset your phone or switch to a new device? In this video, I'll show you how to back up and restore your contacts from your Android mobile phone using ADB. It's a simple and effective method that requires just a few steps, so let's get started. To access your mobile phone from your PC, use the charging cable supplied with your phone. You also need to enable USB debugging. Open Settings, go to About Phone, tap build number 7 times to enable developer options. Go back, find developer options, enable it, then enable USB debugging in that menu. Next, install the USB driver. Go to your phone manufacturer's website or search the internet. Run the installer and follow the prompts to install the driver. Now download the Android Debug Bridge ADB, which is a versatile command line tool that lets you communicate with an Android device. I found this website that provides the latest version of the software. Scroll down and download it for free. To unpack the ADB zip file using 7-zip from the context menu, right-click on the ADB zip file and choose a destination folder. The folder contains all the necessary tools for restoring contacts from your cell phone and other useful utilities. With ADB, you can perform a wide range of tasks, from rebooting your device to listing installed packages and even installing or uninstalling software. By opening a command prompt window, then type ADB devices. This command will display a list of all attached devices, confirming whether your device is successfully connected and ready for further ADB operations. Now that your device is successfully attached, you should see its serial number listed in the command prompt window. You can now run all sorts of commands like listing the installed packages on your device. Now let's dive into querying contact information. For this purpose, I have created a random contact person on my phone. To grab the contact information, I use the ADB shell content query command. All contact information such as name, website, and telephone number have been successfully retrieved. The contact information data is stored in a SQLite database. To create a backup copy of the contacts.db file, use the ADB pull command. For this to work, you need to be rooted. Run ADB root command and try again. This time the command was executed successfully. You should find the contacts database file in the current directory. To check the content of contacts database file, you could use a free tool. With this tool, you can create, read, and edit SQLite database client-side in a browser. No server or internet is required. If you are paranoid like me, go offline before using the tool. You never know until you know. Drag and drop the file to view its content. Search for data. Here you can find the contact information like phone number and website. The tool is quite powerful and works well for me. To conclude this tutorial, I would like to show you how to transfer a contact database back to the phone. Before I do that, I will delete the contact to see if it actually works as expected. First, I use the ls command, which stands for list, to check whether the file exists on the phone and then delete it with rm. No such file or directory means that the file was successfully deleted. In the last step, I use the push command to copy the contact file to the phone. And indeed, the copying action worked well, as I can confirm on my cell phone. In conclusion, backing up and restoring Android contacts is crucial to prevent data loss. Using ADB, you can easily back up the contacts.db file and later restore it if needed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.